Savior has been born to us. He is Christ the Lord. Sing a new song to the Lord. Sing to the Lord, all the earth. Oh, sing to the Lord. Bless His Proclaim His help day by day. Tell among the nations His glory and His wonders among all the peoples. Let the heavens rejoice and earth be glad. Let the sea and all within it thunder praise. Let the land and all it bears rejoice. All the trees of the wood shout for joy at the presence of the Lord, for He comes to rule the earth. Today the Savior has been born to us. He is Christ the Lord. With justice He will rule the world. He will judge the